Hello guys, if you're forming an LLC or corporation, you will need a registered agent, someone who can legally receive documents on your company's behalf. LegalZoom offers this service. But is it worth the price? Let's break it down in simple steps. So a registered agent is required by law to receive official state mail, legal notices and tax forms for your business. They must have a physical address in the state where your company is registered and be available during standard business hours. So LegalZoom's registered agent services includes not just compliance with state rules but also alerts, document scanning and access to a digital dashboard. You will get a real-time notification when legal mail is received, plus annual report reminders to stay in good standing. So LegalZoom charges $299 per year for its registered agent services. This is on the high end. Many other services like Northwest Registered Agent or Zen Business offers the same role for $125 to $199 annually. You're paying for more brand name and added features. And yes, having a registered agent is mandatory for all LLCs and corporations, but using LegalZoom for that role is not required. You can appoint yourself a business partner or another service, as long as they meet your state's legal requirements. So LegalZoom is worth it if you already use their platform and want everything managed in one place. Their system ensures you never miss deadlines or filings, and their compliance alerts can prevent costly penalties. So it's ideal for busy owners who want hands-off convenience. And if you're on a budget or forming multiple businesses, $299 per year can add up fast. You might consider cheaper alternatives or serving as your own agent if you're always available during business hours and don't mind your address being public. So LegalZoom's registered agent services is reliable, easy to use, and full of extras. But it comes at a premium. It's good fit if you want a polished, set it and forget it solution. But if cost is a concern, there are more affordable options that still meet legal requirements. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.